ones. In Lord of the Rings, is Frodo a hobbit or an elf?
A hobbit.
It's a hobbit.
Yeah, you didn't know?
You're 1 for 1
I'm
now.
surprised.
Yeah, I don't know.
Come on, dude. Frodo?
Luke Skywalker and Princess Leia, husband and wife or brother and sister?
Oh, they're brother and sister.
I knew that one too. That one's easy. All right, who works at the Daily Planet, Clark Kent or Peter Parker?
Clark Kent. I don't remember the paper that Peter writes for, but that's Clark Kent.
Pretty good. In Twilight, does Robert Pattinson play a vampire or a werewolf?
He's a sexy vampire.
Doing well. Yeah. All right. What type of alien is Spock?
He is a Vulcan.
You're
Right?
killing it, man.
Yeah, dude. You know how to.
In the video game Halo, is the main character named Master Chief or Super Chief?
Master Chief.
Last one. If you're playing Dungeons and Dragons, who would you rather be, the warrior or the wizard?
I prefer to be the wizard because I like distance attacks. Like, I don't like to actually be in combat. The warrior's more close contact kind of stuff. I like to cast spells.
I do just want to point out that there's no right or wrong answer to that question. If you were able to answer any of those two, I think you're successfully a nerd, my friend.
Yeah, let's do it. Thank you.
I appreciate your time.
Thank
Thanks very
you.
much, man.
Take it easy.